LifeBasis sent us their portable mini utility brush, electric brush, so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. This is the motor itself without any of the head attachments. It does come with this wrist strap, and it does have an indicator light right there that indicates when it's on and when it's off, and charging as well. It does come with 5 different attachments. And it also has a USB-C charging cable, so the fact that it's rechargeable is very, very nice. Let me show you some of the brushes. This is a flat, soft brush. So the way you use this is you slide it on top and twist it to lock so it doesn't come on and off. Then you just turn on the unit, and as you can see, it spins like a toothbrush pretty much. So that is the soft bristle brush. Then you have the more firm bristle brush right here for larger, flatter surfaces. You have the grout brush, which is pointy. This is called the shoe brush, but the bristles are pretty stiff, so I'm not sure if you want to use this on leather, but you probably could use this on like boots or in your soles, or maybe even for your car tire. So keep that in mind. And the last attachment here is a Velcro attachment. And the Velcro attachment is for these pads that are interchangeable. So this is a soft pad that you just stick on there. And you can use that for cleaning glasses or anything that requires a soft touch. And then you have the like a Brillo pad feeling type brush that is for rougher surfaces. So that is nice as well. Let me just show you how that works. You slide it in, twist, turn the unit on, and there you see it will spin it, and that'll help you clean the surfaces. So this works really well. It is very nice because it's portable, so you can keep it in your car or in your toolkit and just have on the go. It's also good for smaller areas like the grout, or in your bathroom or in your sink where you need to get into small spaces. So that's really nice as well. So we love this LifeBasis rechargeable utility brush and would highly recommend.